Hey traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, the channel that makes trading easier, smarter, and way more exciting. Whether you're brand new to trading or already making trades like a pro, today's video is just for you. In this video, I'll share a super simple pocket option binary trading strategy that you can start using right away. The best part? We're only using two easy indicators, Fractal Chaos Bands and OSMA. These two indicators combined will help you identify high-probability trades, boosting your chances of success. I'll also give you the exact settings you'll need to make this strategy work perfectly. So, watch the video till the end, because without the correct settings, you might not get great results. But first, a quick and important note. Trading binary options involves risk, and it's possible to lose your investment. Always trade responsibly, use money you can afford to lose, and remember, this video is purely educational, not financial advice. Make sure to do your own research before trading. Alright traders, let's jump into exactly how to set up your chart and when to enter trades. Candle type, classic candles. Time frame, 30 seconds. Trade duration, 3 minutes. Here's how simple this strategy is. By trade rules, candle breaks above the upper fractal band. OSMA bars point upwards. Enter a buy trade. Sell trade rules. Candle breaks below the lower fractal band. OSMA bars point downwards. Enter a sell trade. Important tip: never trade unless both indicators match up. If only one gives a signal, wait. Patience is key to making profits. Make sure you first practice this strategy using a demo account. Also, backtest it thoroughly on historical charts to better understand market conditions and boost your confidence before you risk real money. Check the description below this video for more detailed instructions and tips. Ready to see this strategy live in action? Let's jump straight into a live trade example right now. Keep watching. You definitely don't want to miss it. Alright traders, we've entered this buy trade based on our strategy. Let's quickly recap why we took this trade. Price broke clearly above the upper fractal chaos band. OSMA indicator bars were strongly pointing upward, confirming bullish momentum. These signals combined make it a high-probability trade setup. Always double-check that both conditions match clearly. If only one matches, avoid the trade and wait patiently for the next clear signal. Let's keep watching this trade closely to see if indicators correctly predicted the bullish momentum or not. Stay tuned. I'll be right back with the final result. Alright traders, it looks like we lost this trade. But remember, losses are just a part of trading. Even the best strategies don't win every time. What's important is to stay disciplined and stick to the rules. We followed our entry rules perfectly. Both the Fractal Chaos Bands and OSMA gave a clear buy signal. But the market didn't move in our favor this time, and that's okay. No strategy can guarantee 100% wins, but consistent rules and careful money management can greatly improve your overall results. Now, instead of getting discouraged, let's look for another trade setup and see if we can spot another great entry together. Okay traders, as per our strategy, this setup looks perfect for a buy trade. The price has broken above the upper fractal chaos band, and the OSMA indicator is showing clear upward bars, confirming strong bullish momentum. Since both signals are aligned, this is our cue to enter a buy trade. Always remember, we only enter trades when both indicators give the same direction. That's our golden rule, and this setup checks all the boxes. Now, we've placed the trade. Let's wait and see how it plays out. While we wait, let me remind you of a few important tips. Don't rush into trades just because one indicator looks good. Patience and discipline are what separate winning traders from the rest. And most importantly, always test your strategy on a demo account first, especially if you're still learning. Alright, the trade is almost over. Let's see if this one goes in our favor. Stay tuned! Awesome! We won this trade! This clearly demonstrates how effective this strategy can be when both indicators align perfectly. Remember, consistency and patience are your best friends in trading. Let's jump right into the next setup. Alright traders, we've got a perfect buy trade setup right here. The candle has clearly broken above the upper fractal chaos band, and the OSMA bars are pointing upward, showing strong bullish momentum. Since both of our conditions are fully confirmed, This is our signal to confidently enter a buy trade. This is exactly why following a clear and tested strategy matters. It helps remove emotions and keeps your trades disciplined and consistent. Now the trade has been placed, so let's wait patiently for the result. While we wait, here are a few important tips to keep in mind. Don't chase the market. Only enter trades when both indicators match perfectly. If the signal is not clear, skip the trade. It's better to miss an opportunity than to enter a risky setup. Always track your results and review your trades. This helps you improve faster and avoid repeating mistakes. Remember, successful trading is not about winning every single trade. It's about following a strategy that gives you consistent results over time. All right, the trade is about to close. Let's see how it ends. Fingers crossed. We have won this trade. That's the power of a simple strategy combined with the right timing and indicator confirmation. Now, as promised, let's go over the exact indicator settings so you can apply this strategy correctly. Fractal Chaos Bands. Period. 3. OSMA. Oscillator of moving average. Fast period. 10. Slow period. 20. Signal period. 5. Make sure to apply these settings exactly as shown. These values help the indicators respond quickly to price movements, giving you more accurate signals, especially for short-term binary trades. Final tips before you go: always practice on a demo account before trading with real money. Stick to the rules. Only trade when both indicators give clear confirmation. And most importantly, manage your risk wisely. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. Comment your thoughts or questions below. Subscribe to SAM Trading Strategies for more easy and effective trading strategies. And share this video with fellow traders who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another powerful strategy. Until then, trade smart, stay patient, and keep learning.